Hi, I'm John Pagano with Forest River Class C Motorhomes, and we're going to talk about how to operate your Sony headset in your Forester or Sunseeker LE. You'll notice that you have a 6.5-inch touchscreen here by Sony. If you hit the home button, it gives you a few options here. Tuner is obviously your AM/FM radio. You can Bluetooth into this radio for phone calls or for listening to things like navigation, but it will not connect to your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by doing that. You do have to hardwire in. We'll talk about that in a second. If you are Bluetoothed in, you can take phone calls from this screen right here. In some models, if you do not have the rear backup monitor right here, your rear view camera will be viewed on this screen, and if you hit that button, it will take you to that rear view monitor. Now, since we do have the backup monitor externally, if I hit this, it's going to say no video signal, and that's perfectly correct. Last but not least, you have a settings button here to adjust things like date and time, the visibility of the screen, and some other settings that you may want to check out. Last but not least, and the main event of this, is your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto usage. As I mentioned before, you do have to plug into the USB to your smartphone. When you do that, you can click on this device and it will bring up the 60 or 70 different apps that work with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Most notably is your GPS system. So I can now use Google Maps, you can use Waze, or Apple Maps to be able to navigate North America.